Hey everyone! So I am going to show you my most recent purchases from Sephora. I am a dead sucker for Sephora Favorites anything, typically. I know they kind of have maybe like a handful posted right now, but some of them I'm not interested in, or if I find that it's not a great value. I have enough skincare truly to sink a ship, so I don't really need any more. But that doesn't mean that there's new products that I don't want to try. So basically, I have a bit of a dilemma because I did buy this one too, the Sephora Favorites, Give Me Some Nude Lip, and truly, I don't really need it. I have so many lipsticks, and when I do reach for a lipstick, it's going to be bright, so this one is going to go back, although I think I might open it up for you guys just to take a look and maybe just see if I want to keep it, so we'll see. But I am for sure keeping the Sephora Favorites Summer Essentials. They do some sort of this every year. I noticed that the one I bought last year, which is kind of like a bronzing essentials, is still up, which I think was a great value. This one I think was $42, I think that's Canadian, so it says $126 value, and I think that as I go along I will try to post the prices in the video, and if they're not in the video I'm going to put them below in the description box, so we'll kind of get an idea of the kind of value I'm getting. So yeah, I have yet to dig into this. Maybe I did dig into this, I can't remember. I know I vlogged my opening, so I think maybe I did open the bag, but I've been so busy I just shoved everything back in and haven't gotten to use any of it. So let's take a look, shall we? So as you can see, here it is. It comes in this great straw makeup bag. It's very roomy. This is a large bag. This is huge. I feel like this would be good for too big for the gym, I think, like gym toiletries, but I feel like it would be really good for maybe you could probably take this out by itself if you really wanted, if that didn't look too weird, but I think this would be good for traveling. I love having all my toiletries in one big bag, so I think this is good for that. And then I noticed the tassel on it actually comes off with this little clip, so it's kind of cute. You could use it on your keys or something. Actually, I might do that because it's super colorful, be easy to find it in your bag, which is my biggest issue. I always shake my bag where are my keys, and you can hear them, right? So at least I could see them this way. So let's just dig in, shall we? Okay, so the interior, I'll give you a little peek, is beige as well, and it's kind of like a wipe away fabric, which is nice, especially for makeup bags. Okay, let's just get started. So maybe I'll explain if I have any of these, what I'm most excited to use, and if I have used any of these, because some things I have and I haven't used yet, because I am just a hot mess when it comes to makeup. So I did get the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream, which I have heard obviously a ton about. I've heard that the smell is incredible, so it is really nice. It's very, oh, it smells like Bath & Body Works, but kind of pricier Bath & Body Works. It's a tiny little tube, so I feel like this might be good for 3 applications on both my legs. It's meant to tighten, and yeah, so I'm going to be using it on my boom boom and probably my calves, and yeah, that's really fun. This would be great. I think I'm going to put this in my post gym bag because it's perfect, workout, get a little toning in. Yeah, so this was something I was definitely interested to see. I don't think I would ever spend $40 or whatever it is on the actual body cream. That's just, it's just too much. I have the Kopari Coconut Rose Toner. I've never tried anything from Kopari. I've heard tons. And the Skinny Confidential, one of my favorite bloggers, is always on about Kopari. And so it says, spritz onto a fresh clean face and follow with face cream. You can also use it to set makeup, give a quick day refresh, or rehydrate skin after a long flight. As if I'm someone who's on a plane often. I freaking wish, but that's okay. So yeah, this looks great. It has a little rose scent to it, obviously, and that's really nice that it's multitasking or multifunctional, because it's a really great way to actually use up products if you can use them in other ways. So I think I'm going to use this as my next facial makeup setter because the one I'm using is almost out. But yeah, I think that's a fair size. I think that's 60 milliliters, so that's not too bad. I'll have to obviously let you know the value of that. Next we have the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Glow Pad Self Tanner for Face. I love having wipes for my face because I feel like self tanning is just so annoying. Like, I love it, and I'm so thankful that I'm in the time where we have such great self tanners. But I feel like a wipe just makes it easy. I can just slip it into my skincare situation over there and just quickly like swipe it on, and I don't have to worry too much about washing it off. I will of course have to read the instructions, and it does look, and I've heard tons about his alpha beta peels anyways, and it comes as 3, so that's not too bad. It does say use the product daily, and it says use after the alpha beta peel. Sorry, Dr. Dennis Gross, I don't have that, but that is a pretty good deal. Next I have the Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. Now, let me tell you something about Living Proof. If I could have everything Living Proof, I totally would. I think their shampoo smells amazing. I have their dry shampoo. I also have their, oh, I forgot about that. I have like their in-shower styler, which, I mean, I'm gonna get my hair cut on Sunday, so maybe I'm gonna switch up my hair care routine. But I think it's a pretty hefty size. It's 60 milliliters, and this is intended to, oh, this is great. This is for damp hair, which is perfect because I'm trying to use up my split end oil at the moment, so this will be great to move on. See, I love buying these when it actually suits like what you're looking for. Like, I know I need face toner. I know I need something to put in the ends of my hair. So yeah, it's working out really well so far, and I'm probably gonna find some other needs as we go on. Next we have the Boscia Clear Complexion Blotting Liners with bamboo and willow extract. I believe this 25 sheet size is the full size, so that's really good. Although I'm pretty stacked up for facial blotters, I bought, if you go to Daiso, which is the Asian dollar store, you can get a whole pack of like 200 for $2. So I'm pretty set, but this would be cute just to try, see if they work any better, if they're worth the investment. Oh, this was something that has been on my wish list. It's the Rich Kid Coconut Oil Gel by IGK. It's smaller than I expected, but that's okay. This will probably last me a while. Gel, you don't really need a ton. Yeah, so I think it's good for, yeah, towel dried hair, and then I'm just going to scrunch it a bit and see if I get some cute little curls, cute little movement to my hair. That'll be good. Next we have the Tarte Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. So this, I believe, is, let's just open up the tiny instructions. I don't know, it's too tiny. I'm just going to assume that it's post makeup or maybe post skincare, so either way, that's great. I've never heard of this from Tarte. It says to shake well, so I wonder if there's any, if there's more than just water. Maybe it's like a creamy texture. Actually, I can check. Yeah, there does seem to be some weight to it, so I'm going to have to look up and make sure I'm using that properly. This is the Ren Evercalm Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask. So it says it's good for urgent rescue, so great. Whenever I leave my makeup on, I get 100 pimples, especially right here. I'm feeling good. So I might use this tonight, and it looks like Ren has never like interested me. I don't know if it's because no one really talks about it. I just don't feel like using it, but that'll be fun to try out. That looks like my 2 masks. We have the Glam Glow Glowstarter moisturizer, which personally I think is kind of a cop-out because this is the birthday gift this year, and this is actually smaller than the birthday gift, I believe. This is 7 milliliters. I think the birthday gift you get maybe 14, if I'm right. I'll have to clarify in the description. So I haven't actually tried this, but I mean, anything that makes my skin look glowy, it's not a big deal. I think I might use this as a primer when I use up what I have. We have the Origins Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with the Rose Clay. Sounds wonderful. It's a 10-minute mask, and does it have a scent? Very important. It smells great. The only Origins I've tried, oh wait, no, I haven't tried anything from Origins, really. So this will be a fun mask to try. I know my brother likes masking, so maybe I'll get him to try that with me. It's a pretty hefty amount. That's 30 milliliters compared to the Ren's 10 milliliters, so I'm sure I will get like a good 6 masks out of this if I'm generous, or if I'm not too generous, pardon me. And then I actually got this because, well, I was excited to try this because Meg's Makeup 8, who I feel like I mention in every video, I don't mean to. I don't watch a ton of makeup YouTubers anymore. She's like probably the only one. And I do like Drea something, I'll have to tag her. And, oh, I can't remember. I just usually, I'm into like gaming videos lately, but I'll have to tag her below so you can check out their channels. This is the Unscented Whipped Argan Oil Body Butter. So it's got a seal on it, so I think I'm just, oh, yeah, totally unscented. This is great. It seems super rich. I feel like that would be great for the winter coming up. So yeah, I'll have to try that out. I do have enough lotion to sink a ship, so I don't know if it'll be anytime soon. Oh my god, I have like crumbs on me. Disgusting. I'm just hungry. Okay, so next, last but not least, we have the OLEHENRIKSEN Counter Balance Oil Control Hydrator. What is that? Facial moisturizer. Fantastic. I'm almost done with my facial moisturizer. Oil control. I do have combination skin, so great. So yeah, that's not bad size. I feel like that would maybe get me a week's worth, or like 5 days, like weekdays worth. So yeah, that's the Sephora Summer Essentials. I would recommend this one for sure. I think it's got a great mix of products, and from some brands that might have not been involved in the favorites before. Like typically I get the color products. This is more definitely skincare oriented. There's no sort of like lipstick, eyeshadow, which is kind of a bummer. It would have been nice to have like a nice like bronzer or something, but how many bronzers do I need? So yeah, that's that. Next, I'm going to show you guys this little, where are my glasses? Oh, they're over there. I usually wear glasses or contacts, but I can't see, I can't even read the Canon on the camera right now. My eyes are terrible. Just thought I would let you guys know if I'm like squinting at you a little bit. So this is the newest, as far as I know, Sephora Favorites Give Me Some New Lip. And I recall I have pretty much bought these every time. I think there is one that I didn't buy, and of course the one that I did buy is now 50% off on Sephora, which I will link below because I think it's a good deal. And I looked at the products and I was like, Sydney, why did you buy this? Like there's nothing that really jumped out to me. I just love having lip minis. I just think they're so convenient. You can try so much. It usually ends up being so cheap. This was 34 Canadian, which I will say I will have to do a breakdown, like I mentioned, the same for my the other kit, because the Stila alone I'm pretty sure is like $29 because I love these Stila lipsticks. And there's let me break it down for you. There are two full size. So there's the Stila Stale Day in, I think it's called Carmelo, the Huda Beauty in Trendsetter, a little Makeup Forever, a little Tarte, and a little Buxom. I love the Buxom glasses, or lip glosses, so, or full-on lip creams, I'm pretty sure they're called. I just used one up recently, so yeah, so I'm just gonna open up. It looks like a little Timbit box if you're from Canada, or in America. I understand they also have Tims. I personally, I don't like Tims. It's, oh, their coffee is dirt water, but that's okay. I love a good donut now and then. More than not. Like, I don't usually have donuts from Tim's, at least, but I love when I'm like, I don't eat donuts, but like it makes me sound so healthy, but like I eat everything else, trust me, like everything else. Okay, so this is why I'm on the fence about this kit. Now, you can kind of see that all these colors, and I don't know what I wanted to expect, are all the same. We have the Tarte Beach Babe, looks like that, brown, okay, fine. I'm not swatching them because I might return. Carmelo doesn't seem like the most flattering color on me. I feel like it's gonna wash me out. Maybe I'm too pale for this. Huda Beauty, this one I did swatch. I just opened it. It's nice, but there's nothing where I'm like, these all look the same to me. So that's that one in Trendsetter. And then this one in Dolly, which I understand is like a favorite of people. Oh, smells like they all do. And Oh, that is a cute one though. But like, why would I just keep it for this? You know what I mean? Like I paid $34. Maybe I should just look into getting this if I want it so bad. And then the Makeup Forever, I'm not going to open for hygienic sake. In 105, it's just like super nude. So I just don't think they're suitable for my skin tone. I shouldn't have bought the kit. It just looked really enticing with the Huda Beauty because I've never tried anything from her except for the lip strobe that I got in the last favorites kit, which I do like. And then I'm a sucker for those Stay All Days. I think I just did my lip declutter. I don't know if it's going to be up before this or after, and I think I have 10 of them, like the mini sizes, because like why buy full size if you can just get mini, especially for lip glosses, which is the whole idea behind these kits. I don't know, it's kind of hard because you don't want, like, Sephora is great at returning, but like I just feel like it's so much waste. Like I'm not gonna be like, you know what I mean, like I'm not gonna try them all out and then return them. Like I just don't want to touch them so I can return them and someone else can get it or whatever. But yeah, that's my opinion. I feel like it's worth passing on. I don't think it's something you need. I think like one new lip is all you need and you're good. So yeah, I don't know, I think I would pass, but that's my own opinion. I hope you guys maybe formed your own opinion about if you should buy these or not. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope to see you guys soon. I'm trying to put videos up more consistently, and yeah, thank you for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.